Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing that every job on Earth is now being done by robots and computers. No more teachers, no more doctors, no more people working in stores, or even your parents working in offices. It might sound like a dream come true at first, but what would actually happen if AI took over every job on the planet? To begin with, we might think that this new world would be awesome. People would no longer have to wake up early for school or work. No more tests, no more reports, no more stress over homework. Instead, everyone could relax and focus on hobbies, family, and having fun. It might seem like we could finally live in a world with more free time and less pressure. People could spend their time doing things they love, like playing sports, making art, or learning about new things. Sounds good, right? However, the question remains, what would happen to the economy if no one was working anymore? Right now, people work to earn money so they can buy food, clothes, and other things they need. But if AI is doing every job, humans wouldn't earn money in the usual way. If no one has money, who will buy the products that AI is making? The economy could crash because no one would be spending money on things, which could lead to a shortage of goods and services. So, in this world where machines do everything, we would need to find a new way for people to get money, even if they don't have jobs. One idea that some people suggest is something called Universal Basic Income, or UBI, which would give everyone a set amount of money just for being alive. But even then, would that be enough to make up for the changes in how we live? The next big question is, who controls the wealth? If AI is doing all the work, the companies that own the robots and computers could make a lot of money. But here's the problem. These companies might not share that wealth with everyone else. If a few rich people control all the robots and AI, that could lead to a huge gap between the wealthy and the rest of the world. The people who own the technology might get richer and richer, while the rest of us could end up struggling. This is a real concern. If AI is making all the money, how do we make sure that everyone benefits from it, not just the few at the top? Now, let's think about what happens to people's sense of purpose. Right now, work is a big part of who we are. When we go to school or work, we feel like we are contributing to society. Work gives people a sense of achievement, helps them feel connected to others, and gives them something to do every day. But if robots do everything, what happens to that purpose? How would we define ourselves if we no longer had jobs or schoolwork? This could lead to big challenges. People might feel like they have no reason to get out of bed, or that they don't matter anymore. Without the routine of school or work, some might feel lost or even depressed. This could cause problems for people's mental health as they struggle to find meaning and a sense of importance in their lives. On the positive side, if AI takes over all the boring, repetitive jobs, people could have more time to do things that truly matter. Without having to work all day, people could spend more time learning, exploring new ideas, and solving some of the world's biggest problems. For example, we could focus more on fixing the environment, curing diseases, or helping people in need. With more time to focus on these important issues, humanity could make amazing progress and come up with solutions to problems that seem impossible today. But even with all that free time, we also have to ask that what happens if the machines start making all the decisions? While AI can do many things well, it doesn't have emotions or empathy like humans do. If AI takes over things like healthcare or the legal system, there's a risk that the human touch would be lost. For example, AI might decide how to treat a patient based on facts and data, but it wouldn't be able to understand how that person feels. In important decisions, like those in a courtroom or a hospital, we might need more than just data. We need human understanding. If machines are in control of everything, we could lose that human side of life that makes us feel cared for and understood. So, what would really happen if AI took over every job? It's hard to say, but one thing is clear. Life would change in huge ways. On the one hand, we could see a world where people are more creative, focused on important issues, and able to enjoy life more. But on the other hand, we could face major challenges like an economic collapse, growing inequality, and loss of purpose. It's up to us to think about how we want to manage this future and what kind of world we want to create with AI. So, with AI potentially running everything, it leaves us with some tough questions. How do we balance progress with fairness? And if machines do all the work, how do we keep a sense of meaning and connection in our lives? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on AI, technology, and the future of innovation.